Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the vehicle and getting straight to the arm. You park level, set the brake, and switch ignition off so the motor won't activate. Next, lift the rear arm gently away from the glass to gain access, and spray any rusted fasteners with penetrating oil. This reduces breakage risk. Finally, lay out a 10 mm socket, a flat tool for clips, a rag to protect paint, and the new arm, so you're ready to remove the retaining nut. You'll now remove the old arm carefully to avoid damaging the motor spline. First, pry off the plastic cap to expose the retaining nut. Use a flat tool to avoid cracking the cap. Once exposed, hold the arm steady and back off the 10 mm nut. Keep one hand supporting the arm so it doesn't drop. After the nut is out, twist the arm back and forth while pulling outward. If it's stuck, apply penetrating spray and use a small puller to free it without bending the spline. You finish by installing the replacement and verifying function. Place the new arm onto the spline in the correct park orientation, align visually with the window. Hand start the retaining nut, then tighten snugly with the 10 mm socket. Don't over-torque and risk stripping. Snap the plastic cap back on, gently lower the arm to the glass, and power the wiper to confirm sweep and park. If it parks off, reposition the arm and red item. Troubleshooting tip: if it won't seat, check for debris or a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.